I don't have the knowledge of wood, never built a house before. If you are amongst any of these two, don't worry. By the end of this video, you are going to feel educated, empowered, comforted and relaxed. Couple of years ago, we came across Mr. Nabi Azad, who is a banker by profession, hails from Vijayawada. He wanted to build doors and he was unable to find which wood to be used for doors. His major challenge was that he was not able to find a professional expert who could educate him, guide him, and not a trusted seller and an experienced seller. It is very common to rely on contractors, carpenters and civil engineers' advice. However, once he got in touch with us, he understood the professional experience that we brought to the table, which he could verify through the references we provided about the projects that we did in the nearby areas of Vijayawada, Guntur and Hyderabad. He cherished the entire process. His project was completed in 40 days and he understood which wood was used in his project which could be long life and durable. I'm glad we became professional friends. If this resonates with you, share it with someone who is struggling to find the right expert for interior and exterior usage of timbers in their home. This is Bindal Akash, owner of Reldor Lifestyles, your online timber lifestyle genie.